Today guys, I got something cool for you. We're gonna be making a Viking chair. Let's get to it. For today's build, we're using this massive 2x12. I think some people when they make these, they usually use a 2x10, but obviously we're gonna make it as sturdy as we can, so we went with the 2x12. First thing we're gonna do is measure out to 4 feet. We're gonna need 2 pieces at 4 feet, and we're gonna cut them with the Makita circular saw. Almost forgot, always put on your safety glasses. Let's get to measuring. All right guys, we got everything mapped out. I got a little tip for you. We got our humongous speed square right here clamped down, and we're gonna use that as a guide for our skill saw to make sure that we get a straight cut. So that's what we're gonna do here. Let's get to it. Now guys that we got our big 4-foot piece cut out, we're gonna use that as a guide for our other piece. So like always, we're just gonna put her up there, get her flush on the end over here, which we got her flush. Take your pencil, make a line. And now we'll set up for that second cut. Now that we got our 2 pieces cut out at 4 foot, we're going to measure out the seat, which we're going to make that 14 inches. So we're just going to pull in 14 inch, 14 inch. Take your humongous speed square, line them bad boys up, give yourself a line. And now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull in 2 inches. If your speed square has one of these knots, then I would use it for sure. Oh, I messed mine up. And that right there we'll have to cut out, and then we'll come back to this side and do the same thing, make a line all the way down it. Now guys that we got these marked out, like I said, we pulled in from here down, so our seat is 14 inches big, and then pulled in 2 inches, and then 2 inches all the way down. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna take this bottom piece, set it to the side, and we're gonna take our jigsaw and cut from here to here on both sides, and then we'll take our circular saw and run up and down that line. Let's get to it. Now guys that we got our cuts with our jigsaw made, like I said, now it's time to take our circular saw and run up down these lines on each side. We're gonna make that second cut. Now that we have completed them cuts, this is what you should be looking like. Like I said, this is going to be your seat section. So now what we're going to have to do is grab our other piece and measure out where we need to cut the section that this is going to slide into. Let's get to it. Alright guys, now we're going to, like I said, measure out where we need that other part. So we're going to start at 14 inches and make you a couple of lines at 14 inches. And then we're going to go up to 16 inches. Give you some lines, then take your big speed square, go to your 2 inch, connect that, same thing over here, and now you will connect these lines. And that right there should be the section that we need to cut out so our seat can slide right in. So I kind of told you wrong, because unfortunately they don't really give you legit 2x12s or anything like that. So the thickness of this board is actually 1.5 inches thick. So instead of going a full 2 inches, I still want it to slide in there easily. So like I said, 1.5 inches would be right here at 15.5. So I'm gonna go up just like 15 3/4, somewhere in there. And we will try that at first. We can always take more off, but we're gonna try that first. Now that we got this figured out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your drill, get you a bit, and you're gonna drill a hole here and a hole in this corner. That's what I'm gonna do. And then you're gonna take your jigsaw and cut the rest out. All right, guys, now that we got our hole cut out right here and everything is cut, we're going to take our router with a 3/4 round over bit and go around our entire boards to put that nice little round over on there. Let's do it. All right, guys, we got our seat portion nice and rounded over. I'm glad we did that because it made it look 100% better. We're gonna go ahead and do that to our back piece portion. Now, guys, that we got both of our pieces rounded over everywhere, we're gonna go ahead and sand them up to 220. All right, guys, we got our pieces sanded up. Now we're going to hit it with the torch, and then after that, we're going to put on that Howard's. I forgot to mention, whenever you're burning something, make sure you have your fire extinguisher. Let's get to it. All right, guys, now that we got our pieces nice, sanded up, and burned, we're going to hit it with that Howard's Sun Shield UV protection. Shout out to Howard's, link in the description if you want to go check them out. I highly recommend. And that's what we're going to do, guys. We're just going to slap this bad boy on there, wait 15 minutes, wipe her off, and she'll be done. All right, guys, it's been 15 minutes. Our wood has pretty much absorbed most of the Howard's. So right now what I'm gonna do off camera, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe it all down. All right, guys, so we have completed the build. So this is how it works here. So you're gonna take your back piece, put her just like that. Take your seat piece. You're gonna slide her in right here. This right here is the moment of truth to see if she's sturdy. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's real nice. She's sturdy. You can see that. Looks perfect. It's a beaut. But yeah, guys, this is how you make a nice, easy Viking chair. Like I said, I hope you guys learned something, and go make yourself one because they're really cool. I'm probably gonna end up making 3 or 4 of them. Probably sit outside the food truck and everything. But other than that, guys, if you're new here, make sure you smash that sub button, hit that like button, leave a comment if you like this build. Leave a comment, let me know if you have any ideas on any other builds. And if you want to be a VIP member, make sure you hit that join button beside the subscribe button. Other than that, we will catch you in the next one. Peace.